Hey everybody, Larry here. It's the last day of rifle season. I have my buddy Grayson and Garrett in the stand with me. We got in here at 2:55 p.m. and we've sat for 5 minutes now and we already have a doe in the lower field. So we're really hoping for a buck, but pretty much anything decent size we're going to shoot at. So stick with us and hopefully we get some meat in the freezer or some antlers on the ground. It's a smaller doe. No, it's a smaller one. So right now there's 3 doe, smaller doe, down in our food plot, and there's 2 not far from each other right there. We're trying to shoot at least a medium-sized doe. Those 2 are pretty small, and I think the one's a button buck. That's a nice sized doe right there. I hate to shoot her right before most of the bucks start coming out. What do you think, Garrett?
Should we shoot her now? Wait.
It's 3:53 p.m. She keeps looking into the other end of the field. Here comes another one too. There's a bunch of deers down there right now.
I need to get up.
Okay, get up quietly. Watch where you're stepping. Wonder what they're looking at.
Oh, no, I see that.
The big one's in the back.
Yes, yeah. I see one's behind a tree.
Yeah.
God, looks like a bear.
I'm not sure if we're gonna shoot them or not.
I can't even
There's two bucks that came out.
do.
Yeah. If the one's a decent sized one, I'll shoot him. And you can shoot the other one, okay?
What? How big is the other one? You said one's a 6 and one's
I don't know yet. I gotta look.
Oh, okay.
The one's a 3-point.
What?
The one's a 3-point.
3-point and a 6-point.
I don't know. His head's behind the tree. Can you see him?
Yeah. You said one's 3 and one's a 6.
Yes.
I thought it has to be an 8 or bigger.
The other one's a big one, but I can't tell how big he is. Let me just look.
shoot the bigger one.
Well, this isn't the bigger one. The other one walked out.
Oh, so you're shooting the 3-point?
No, I'm shooting the other 8-pointer.
Ready when you are. Josh Grayson. Did you hit him?
I don't know.
Can I get up now?
Yeah, hurry up. There's a doe right there. You want to shoot it?
Is it big enough?
Yeah, right there, right in the field. Come on.
Wait, that one.
Just wait, don't move. Here they come, don't move. Do not move. They're coming in the exact spot we want them to come.
Josh Grayson.
Ready, get ready. Okay, get behind the rifle. Hurry up, it's turning. Hurry up. Is that a big one? Is it a big one?
I don't know, it's behind them. Doesn't look like it that much.
Let me see. Look at the hot flares. Hold on, just wait right there. Don't move.
Hurry up. It's about to come behind them.
It's going. Just let it go. Let's wait here a little bit.
Grace.
Well, guys, I just shot at the first buck on my property. My boys are with me. We're down in the food plot. And we trekked down over the hill. We were shooting from up in the shooting shanty up on the hill. And I'm pretty sure I see a white belly. I have yet to see any blood. Oh my God, I think I see him, guys. Oh, is he a nice buck? Oh, I don't know where the other one went though. There's another buck with him. And then there was a smaller buck and some doe. And I was hoping to shoot my first buck this year, and I did it, guys. Oh my God, I'm super excited. It's two firsts for me this year. My first handgun deer and my first buck on my own land. I don't think you know how much this means to us. I'm super pumped.
Shot it with me.
Yep, that's right. Grayson was here too, huh, buddy? You were here too, huh? Yeah, that's super exciting. Maybe you're my good luck charm, buddy.
You can see the trail.
Oh man, that's awesome. Good shot too. Perfect, right where it needs to be. Oh man.
You didn't run that far.
Didn't go that far.
Ran as far as my buck.
Yeah, it maybe went 20 or 30 yards. All right, well, we're gonna tag him and we're gonna pull him out. Well, guys, this is my first whitetail buck on our land. Nice 8-point. I'm super excited to get it done today. I have my good luck charm here, Grayson, and Garrett's behind the camera right now. But yeah, he came out at like 4:40 p.m. Along with another, I think he was a 6 or an 8. And then there was also another, like a 3-pointer. You'll probably see that in the video. We shot it from our shooting shanty up top. And he was out in our food plot eating. Made a really good shot on him. Definitely double lung, maybe part of the heart. But as you can see, we got him tagged. I have the ear wrapped into the antler this time, just to be sure, and I snugged down on that zip tie. But yeah, guys, I couldn't be more happy right now. Wow, Garrett, good job. Get him over to the bucket. Man, you're a big helper. How heavy you think this deer is? Right there's good.
Probably like 70, 80, 90, 100 pounds.
Nah, I bet she's at least 120. That's my guess after we gut him. We're gonna load him in the tractor.
Right now?
Right now, I bet she's 145. We're gonna gut him, or we're gonna throw him in the tractor bucket, take him up top, gut him, and then we're gonna run up to the big buck contest and drop him off and see what he weighs. All right?
Yeah.
Sounds good. And then we'll go get some dinner. also stopped at the local rod and gun club to get it weighed in. It weighed, after it was gutted, it weighed in 116 pounds. It was an 8-point, so it was a nice buck. We still have the head. We're going to take the head to a friend of mine. His name's Dale. He owns a place called Beetle Pro, and he's going to do a European mount for us. So yeah, that wraps up our season. Today was the last day. Me and the boys are going to go grab something to eat real quick, and we're going to head home. But yeah, it was the last day of rifle season in Pennsylvania, and like I said, I was shooting for bucks. Garrett would have been shooting for does unless there was a buck real close, but I made a really good shot on that buck, and now we're going to have another rack to hang on the wall.